The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba,
Master. Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe chenjigo. Iye jamara dike ruenu.
Okwesileze Women's Club of Nigeria International Inc., Houston, Texas, invites you to their 20th anniversary and induction ceremony on October 7, 2023 at 8 p.m. The venue is Igbo Catholic Community Hall, 8250 Creekbend Drive, Houston, Texas. We see Honorable Dr. Mrs. Gracie Igbo, Founder, CEO, National President, Ochiora, and the entire Houston branch. Welcome delegates from branches in Dallas, Fort Worth, Boston, DMV, Maryland, Chicago, Abuja, Lagos, Benin, Enugu, Onitsha, and Asaba to this historic event. Tributes and special awards will be given to founding mothers. Lifetime President and Mother of All Time, late Kwesi Chief Mrs. Alice Wandu, Kwesi Lady Mrs. Esther Ezuku, Kwesi Professor Mrs. Dorothy Okeke, Kwesi Iyom Angoli Anikwenze, Kwesi Lady Mrs. Obiamalo, Kwesi Professor Mrs. Oyibo Odinamado. Okwesileze Women's Club of Nigeria International Houston Branch since 2003. Okwesileze, celebrating 2 decades of promoting family values and progress. Save the date, Saturday, October 7, 2023, 8 p.m. at Igbo Catholic Community Hall, 8250 Creekbend Drive, Houston, Texas. For further information, contact Kwesi Honorable Dr. Mrs. Gracie Igbo, Founder, CEO, National President, Ochiora. Kwesi Mrs. Nkiruka Obi, Co-Founder and National Coordinator. Mark your calendar. Be there.